Join us and learn how to make classic Cabochon Gemstone rings in this step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online course. This start-to-finish project gives you all the information you'll need to create an array of gemstone rings using sterling and fine silver and Cabochon gemstones. In this course, you'll learn how to create bezel settings using fine silver bezel strip and sterling silver sheet, how to size and make a ring shank, how to solder your settings to your rings, how to prepare your settings for different depths of gemstone, and how to set your Cabochon gemstones, as well as other techniques you can use for your future projects. The course is broken down into 17 easy-to-digest lessons and 9 bonus technical videos. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to gemstones, the essential guide to rings, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you may not already have. And finally, all online courses grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.